Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you've got a Dell WD19s docking station and want to connect it properly, you might be unsure about the correct setup, especially if you're using it for the first time. Docking stations are designed to expand your laptop into a full workstation, but if the connection isn't done correctly, you may face issues like displays not working, USB devices not being detected, or charging problems. The WD19s is powerful, but it still requires the right connection, sequence, and setup to function smoothly. So, in this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to connect your Dell WD19s docking station correctly. To try these. Step 1. Connect the docking station to a power source and turn it on. Step 2. Plug the USB-C cable from the dock into your laptop. Step 3. Wait for the system to detect the docking station. Step 4. Connect monitors, keyboard, and other devices to the dock. Step 5. Check system settings to ensure all devices are recognized. Step 6. Test all connections to confirm everything is working properly.